wake up. It's another day to raise up my odds. Of course I'm on my way up, and with great fans it gets easier to stay up. And great fans coming easier than layups. Yeah, I'm learning never just to go with the path that you're given. And it's what happens when you trade it for passionate living. The top is close, I can see it in the distance. Give me all of your support and I swear I won't forget it. This is new wave rap, the next generation. Hands to the sky, it's a fucking celebration. Now let's make a toast to the kings that are not here, cause y'all the reason that we got here. But spent my whole damn life trying to right my wrongs, and last 12 months trying to write these songs. Made some mistakes but they so far gone, and so it's pedal to the metal and I won't accept bronze, nothing better.